Millions suffer from knee arthritis every day. Scientists now confirm a simple, powerful treatment: movement itself. A new review by the BMJ Group analyzed more than 200 studies with over 15,000 participants worldwide. The evidence spans decades and countries, uniting one clear message: keep moving to keep your knees healthy. Walking, cycling, and swimming stood out as the best medicine for painful knees. Among all exercises tested, aerobic training gave the strongest pain relief and mobility gains. Osteoarthritis happens when cartilage wears down, causing stiffness and swelling in the knees. Over time, this damage limits movement and leads to chronic discomfort. Nearly 30% of adults over age 45 show signs of knee osteoarthritis on X-rays. About half of those affected experience severe pain that disrupts daily life. Despite decades of research, doctors lacked clear guidance on which exercise helps most, until the analysis compared multiple programs, from aerobic workouts to stretching and mind-body routines. Researchers used a global evidence scale called GRADE to measure outcomes like pain, function, and gait. Aerobic exercise consistently ranked highest in improving mobility and reducing discomfort. These exercises not only strengthen muscles but also boost blood flow to the joints. The result: less pain, more freedom, and better quality of life. Swimming reduces joint stress while building endurance, making it ideal for chronic pain patients. Stationary cycling offers safe, controlled knee movement for recovery and strength. Walking remains the simplest and most accessible form of therapy for osteoarthritis. Moderate-intensity aerobic activity improves knee function across both short and long-term periods. Consistency matters. Regular activity protects joints better than any pill. Pain scores dropped significantly after just 3 months of aerobic training. Movement increases joint lubrication, easing friction between bones. Commitment to daily movement changes joint health at a cellular level. Clinicians now recommend aerobic activity as first-line treatment for knee arthritis. Structured programs reduce pain without relying on medication or surgery. Mind-body workouts also improve balance and body awareness, though less effective for pain. Aerobic training led every category, outperforming strength or flexibility routines. Those who stayed active regained walking speed, endurance, and independence. Some studies were small or short-term, but the pattern remained consistent. Across every region and age group, aerobic activity delivered steady, lasting results. None of the tested exercises caused harm or side effects compared to rest groups. Swimming provides full-body conditioning with zero joint strain. Cycling improves circulation, boosts mood, and builds leg support muscles. Even 30 minutes of walking daily lowers pain levels and stiffness. Regular motion stimulates nutrient flow to cartilage, helping preserve it longer. Personalized plans help match activity type and intensity to each patient's needs. Weather or space limits are no excuse, indoor walking works just as well. With consistent practice, posture, balance, and speed all improve naturally. Tracking tools motivate progress and help maintain accountability. Evidence is clear: aerobic exercise remains the foundation of arthritis management. Home-based workouts work too, requiring only discipline and regularity. Water workouts combine resistance and buoyancy, easing pressure on the knees. Proper technique reduces joint strain and maximizes long-term benefits. Avoid hard surfaces. Soft tracks protect joints and reduce impact. Shared motivation and social connection make exercise sustainable. The message to all patients and clinicians: start with aerobic activity. Family support ensures commitment and emotional comfort during therapy. 6 months of consistent walking can transform pain levels and confidence. Supportive gear like braces can help during the adjustment phase. Every pedal, every step, every swim stroke adds up to lasting relief. Participants reported better sleep, mood, and overall well-being. Aerobic activity matched or exceeded drug therapy results, without side effects. Enjoyment keeps people consistent, turning exercise into lifestyle. Progress comes through persistence, not perfection. Decades of studies confirm the same truth: movement heals. Even gentle aquatic motion activates key muscles around the knee. Aerobic exercise strengthens heart, muscles, and mind all at once. Relief doesn't come overnight, but steady effort brings lasting comfort. Experts now advise aerobic movement as the global standard for arthritis care. Move your body, protect your knees, and reclaim your freedom, one step at a time.